Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are good. This is Khushpreet, your class teacher. Students, in our previous session, we have already learned about our letters from A to H. And today, we will learn the letters I to P. Now, students, I have some flashcards from I to P. I is for ice cream cone. J is for jam. K is for kiwi. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange and P is for penguin. These are the some flashcards from letter I to P. Okay. Now students, after this, now let's do an activity. Students, in this activity, your parents will call out the letters from I to P and you have to find out the objects from your house. Okay, that start with same particular letter from your house. After this, now let's do another activity. In this activity, your parents will call out the name of any object and you will say the first letter of that particular object. For example, mango. The first letter is mango. You speak out the first letter of this like M. Next one is this is a pen. Your parents will say the name of the object, that is pen, and you say the first letter of the pen, that is P. This is ice cream. Your parents say ice cream and you say the first letter of ice cream, that is I. Okay. Now after this, recite a rhyme, that is E, some ink to write my name. J, a jug to water my plants. K, a kite I like to fly. L, a lolly for me to lick, lick, lick. M, a monkey to march with me. N, a nut to hold my pet. O, an orange I love to eat. P, a popcorn goes pop, pop, pop. Now again. E, some ink to write my names. J, a jug to water my plants. K, a kite I love to fly. L, a lolly for me to lick, lick, lick. M, a monkey to march with me. N, a nut to hold my pet. O, an orange I love to eat. P, a popcorn goes pop, pop, pop. Okay. This is a rhyme from letter I to P. Now, after this, students, take some sand and try to write the letters from I to P on the sand pit. And after that, write I to P on your notebook. Firstly, you write I on the sand pit and after that I on your notebook. One by one you write all the letters from I to P. I, J, K, L, M, N and O and P. These are the letters that you have to write on the sand pit and on your notebook also. Okay students, stay connected with your school, with your teachers. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.